Guangzhou Icesource Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise based domestically and global-oriented. We provide customers with advanced ice-making equipment, complete ice-making system, medium and high-end cold storage products, and engineering. The company was founded in 2010 and started R&D in 2004 as one of the largest manufacturers in the domestic ice-making equipment industry. Icesource has a modern production base of 20,000 square meters and nearly 300 employees. After years of rapid development, with continuous technological innovation and excellent product quality, Icesource has covered all over the country and exported to more than 150 countries and regions around the world. Icesource has gained brand awareness in the world. Innovation, technology innovation and leading the industry. Innovation is the driving force of Icesource development. Icesource adheres to the comprehensive development strategy of independent innovation and cooperation between industry university research institute, and creatively develops our own core technology. The company has gathered a group of R&D team SM of technical elites in the refrigeration industry and owns 30 national authorized patents. Many products are pioneered in China and the world. The company has been rated as the National High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Province Ice-Making Equipment Engineering Technology Research Center, Guangdong Innovation Capacity Top 500 Enterprises, Guangdong Province Outstanding Enterprises. Icesource is the first in the industry to pass the National Intellectual Property Management System certification. Icesource is also a strategic partner of edible ice suppliers for major sports events such as the Olympic Games and Asian Games. Quality. Focus on quality and pursue excellence. Quality is the life of the company, and Icesource always puts the pursuit of high quality in the first place. The company successfully introduced the ERP management system with a high level of product delivery team and a team of highly qualified technical workers. The factory introduces advanced processing equipment, has strong production and manufacturing capabilities, adopts PMC system management, implements lean production, and strictly follows the quality control system. The annual output value of the factory are 300 million Chinese renminbi yuan. The company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, Product CE certification, National Industrial Product Production License, and become a United Nations Procurement Supplier number 601,126. Products, diversified products, and wide range of usage. The company now has 4 product lines and is one of the most comprehensive in the industry. Series 1, large-scale edible ice-making equipment and its complete system. Cube ice machine, tube ice machine, automatic ice packing machine, fully automated edible ice plant, etc. Series 2, high-end edible ice equipment. Pure ice machine, ice ball curving machine, nugget ice machine, etc. Series 3, industrial ice making equipment and its complete system. Direct cooling block ice machine, salt water ice block machine, large-scale construction salt water ice block machine, flake ice machine, plate ice machine, concrete cooling complete system, etc. Series 4, medium and high-end cold storage products, LCCP food processing plant, auto pellet cold storage, large indoor ice and snow entertainment, GMP medicine and food cold storage, large-scale integrated cold storage, etc. Our products have been widely used in beverage modulation, food processing, fisheries, supermarket cold chain, construction and tunneling, pharmaceutical and chemical industries, and other fields involving cooling, preservation and storage, culture, people-oriented and mutual development. Excellent employees are the greatest wealth of Icesource. The company regularly conducts various trainings to build a learning organization and improve the comprehensive capabilities of the employees. Our company regularly carry out various recreational activities, employee birthday parties, company travel, and other activities to enrich the lives of employees and create a comfortable working environment, people-oriented, mutual development, and work together to create a pursuit of truth, supreme good, work in peace and contentment. Isource culture. In the future development, Isource adheres to the business philosophy of customers benefit from Isource, and strives to build CBFI into a well-known brand in the global industrial refrigeration equipment industry. Guangzhou Icesource Company Limited.